Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today with an exciting sneak peek of a kit from Oraloa. This is my second sneak peek, and I'm super excited for this one, so I'm just going to dive in. I need to cut off the plastic here, so while I do that, I will tell you this kit will be available tomorrow. When this video releases, should be available the next day. And let me see if I can get this cut off so I can get in here. I don't know why this plastic gives me so much trouble lately. Okay, this is an artist that I've never done a kit from before, so I'm excited about that, because then I maybe can actually continue my artist series on past 1 year. Okay, so oops, it's upside down. This is called Jeune Fille by Julie, I'm assuming Buibui. I don't know how to pronounce that, so if I mangle that, I apologize. It is a 60 by 60 round diamonds, and look how cute and colorful this is. So yeah, let me break into the box and I will be right back. Okay, I've got all the plastic off, so let me just roll this. It's a nice soft lint canvas, and it's got the scalloped edges on it. Let me, oh, you can see how colorful this is already. Let me just roll this the other way a bit. Now, it is large enough, I'm not going to get all of it on screen, but I'm going to hold it here for a minute. Let's look and see what else we got. We get, of course, our instructions. I'm going to lay those off to the side. I'm going to let this relax for a moment. Okay, toolkit. Looks like we've got stickers and our drills, so let me set those off to the side for the minute. Let's look and see what we get in our toolkit. Ooh. Okay, so in our toolkit, we get, I'm not going to pull it out, but you can see just a standard tray. We get some pretty purple tweezers. We get a diamond painting pen with a 3-placer attached, and then an additional, that looks like a 9-placer for your diamond painting pen. And then we get this cute little 3 plates of blue wax in this cute little container. So there's our toolkit. Now let's look at our stickers. So our stickers again come with another image, so I can use this one for my logbook. Again, it is a 60 by 60, and we have 55 colors. And how many of these are ABs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. So that'll be fun. And stickers, pre-cut stickers, so I can stick those on my containers really easily. Yeah, super excited. 55 colors, and 5 of those are ABs, so that's going to be fun. Okay, here are the drills. Ooh, you can see some of those ABs already. Those are pretty. I'm going to set those off to the side, and I'm going to go grab the canvas. Let me move some of this other stuff out of the way. I will be right back. Okay, here we go. Here is the canvas. So I can't get it all on the screen, but again, their cover sheets are so much thicker than the usual ones that I see. I love that. So we do get a schematic on both sides, and we do have our DMC codes on both sides. So I love that. And just looking at, let me bring this up to you guys. Looking at the symbols are nice and clear. Doesn't look like I'm going to have any trouble telling anything apart. And this just is such a nice, colorful, fun image. Yeah, okay, so 60 by 60, let's measure. It is, make sure I've got an edge here, 60 by, pretty sure 60. Yep, 60 by 60 is the actual drill field. I'm just looking, it looks like the poured glue does not really run off too much on the sides, which I appreciate. You still need to washi tape it. I still will washi tape it, but yeah, it's like just barely 1/8 of an inch off of the canvas. Over here it's not off at all almost. So yeah, some pretty perfect placement of their poured glue. It is nice and sticky, I'm sure, but let me just test so you guys can hear. Oh yeah, nice and snappy when you stick your finger on it. Okay, so let's jump into our drills. I'm gonna move this up a little bit so you guys can see the rest of it. This cute little girl here with her colorful necklaces and her blue shirt, and I just love all the colorful trees and things in the background. So probably a bit confetti heavy, even in her shirt and her hair. I would say probably it looks like maybe the sky and her face are about the most multi-placing I'm gonna get. But that's okay. I like a challenge and I don't mind confetti. Okay, so let's look and see what we get in our drills here. They're already in baggies, so for those of you who like to work from baggies, you're all set to go. Excuse all my crinkling here. I don't particularly like baggies, so I will be transferring them all to a different container, and I'm gonna save our ABs for last. So let me move those out of the way. All right, let's see what we've got here. We have, ooh, a pretty pink, a gray, kind of a limey green, a very bright yellow, dark blue. We've got 3 peachy colors here. We've got like a very bright peach, a pale peach, and then kind of an orangish peach. And then we have that bubblegum kind of mulberry color. Ooh, another bright green, a gray, and then kind of a very drab olive color. Let's see what else. And then we get kind of a mustardy color. Ooh, a very bright orange. Love that color. Kind of a dusky rose. Pale blue. Ooh, some darker blue. I'm going to guess that's probably her hair. Some slate blue, some turquoise, some lighter turquoise. I've got a drill trying to escape there. Let me get that one back in the bag. Some lighter turquoise, and I've just noticed, oh, it's not escaping, it's just loose in the bag. Okay, move these out of the way. So we've got another blue, another pink, a dark brick red. Is this dark blue? Kind of a greenish turquoise, a springy green, a melon pink, and then we get a different shade of that kind of green turquoise. Oops, and it's got one trying to escape as well. All right, then we've got a light green, an orange, a very pale tan, ooh, a bright pink, kind of an orangish peach again. And then we've got a berry pink, a very pale pink, and a mauve. And then we have another slightly lighter turquoise, a dark slate blue, a caramel color, kind of a brick red, a dark orange, another like coral. And then we have a yellow, a very pale yellow, kind of a salmon color, a dark blue, another turquoise, kind of a yellowish tan, a pale peach, and then a tan. And then we get to look at our pretty ABs. What do we have? Ooh. So we get this pretty pink AB, a very pale pink. We get this very pretty peacock blue AB. Oh, this isn't an AB. This is just a regular blue. Then we get a very pale yellow AB. Ooh, a baby blue AB. I really like that one. That one's pretty. And then a white AB. Hi guys, editing me here, and I just wanted to jump in and show you how far I've gotten. I was hoping to get a bit further. I wanted to have most of her face done, but I at least made it to her face so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. And yeah, I'm super happy with how this is turning out. I will say it is pretty confetti heavy, as I imagined it would be, and so if you don't like confetti, this may not be the kit for you. However, I'm loving all the extra ABs. There's 5 ABs in this kit, like I said, and so you've got this dark blue here, some light blue here, there's this light white color, and some yellow over here, some pink. Yeah, I'm just really loving how it's turning out. Like I said, this is not a kit that I would have normally picked for myself. It's very colorful, but kind of pastel. And because it's just, I don't know, it just isn't my typical style. But I will say, after working on it, I'm really enjoying it. The drills are amazing. I love all the extra ABs. The fact that it is confetti, there's quite a bit of confetti, like right here, you know, with her necklace and everything, but you do get some nice sections of multi-placing. And as I get to the top, there's quite a bit of multi-placing at the top. So like this section right here around this balloon is, or flower or whatever it is a lot of color blocking. There was some color blocking in her shirt. And as I get to the top here, this is going to be, I mean, there's a bit of confetti sprinkled in, but for the most part, that's going to be pretty much multi-placing. So I think it has a nice mix of both, but I would say it leans towards confetti. So if confetti is not your thing, this may not be the kit for you. But like I said, even though this isn't something I would have picked myself, just going through and looking at kits, I'm really enjoying it. Yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys. I've gotten this much done. I'm a little less than halfway done, and I'm excited. So not a kit that I had planned on doing, but so excited to share the sneak peek with you. And I wanted to give you guys a hint of what it would look like when it drops tomorrow so that you can check it out for yourself. So this will drop on February 17th. You guys, it's super awesome. So head over to Oraloa. I'll stick a link to Oraloa down below. And I'm not sure what the pricing of this is going to be. I don't know what their sneak peeks, but yeah, super cute. It's very colorful in a pastel kind of way. I'm having a lot of fun with it. Back to the unboxing. So there's all of our drills. Yeah, you guys, I'm really excited to get started on this one and see how it turns out. That's it for me today, guys. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.